Attention please. Let's pray with God. Pray begin. Finish. Say with me.
Good morning. How are you, students?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very good today. Is there any absence today?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Okay, students. Before we go to our lesson, sebelum kita melanjutkan pembelajaran kita hari ini, I want to ask you some questions. So, where did you go last holiday? Yes, Stephen who?
I went to Germany.
Okay, anything else? Yeah, you? Okay.
My holiday was in Malaysia.
Oh, your holiday was in Malaysia. So, what did you do in Malaysia?
I went around Malaysia.
Okay, and you?
I visited my grandma
Okay, you? Okay, wait, how do you go there? Your family?
with my family.
With my family.
Okay, very good. Nah, yang kalian sebutkan tadi itu ya sebenarnya adalah bagian dari pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Nah, kalau Miss rangkum nih contohnya dari kalimatnya Stephen Wu. I went to Pekanbaru and I visited my grandma. Nah, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kalimat ini kalian sebut menceritakan tentang kalimat apa ini ya? Menceritakan apa? Ya, kejadian sudah lalu, terus menceritakan tentang
Pengalaman.
ya pengalaman masa lampau yang sudah lewat. Nah, jadi teks ini kalau bahasa Inggrisnya disebut dengan recount text. Ya, ini namanya text recount. Ini secara singkat saja nih ceritanya. Recount text. Ya, jadi today we are gonna learn about recount text. Kalian bisa lihat di buku kalian yang sudah dibagikan pada lembar kertasnya. Dan di situ ada pengertian dari recount text. So recount text is retells past events or experience in order they happen. Jadi dia menceritakan tentang kejadian masa lalu ataupun pengalaman secara berurutan ya. Jadi dia ada kronologinya, ada urutannya. And it's not only talking about experience seperti yang teman kamu tadi bilang, but also telling the past event. Misalnya nih tentang cerita dari pahlawan, story of hero, bisa juga autobiography, bisa juga journal, and also a letter. Jadi selain yang teman kamu sebutkan tadi, bisa juga hal-hal lain yang penting dia sudah lewat dan ada chronological eventnya. Dan di situ juga ada three main parts of recount text. Apa saja yang pertama? Yang pertama apa saja? Three main parts of recount text. Orientation. Second, ibas. Third, yes, reorientation. So orientation itu biasanya the part that give us detail of who, what, where, when, and why. Ya, menceritakan tentang pendahuluannya dulu. Seperti yang misalnya secara singkat tadi. Lanjut ke bagian event, itu berisi tentang chronological order. Biasanya ada first, second, then, after that, yang menceritakan tentang kamu di Malaysia itu pergi kemana-mana saja. Ya, aktivitas apa saja yang kamu lakukan itu diceritakan di event. Kalau reorientation itu tentang conclusion, kesimpulan dari teks yang sudah kamu baca, yang sudah kamu buat. Biasanya ditandai dengan it was a great holiday. My holiday is really fun, was really fun. Nah, seperti itu, seperti kesimpulan singkat. But it's optional. Berarti kalau optional itu dia boleh ada, boleh tidak, ya seperti itu. Contohnya recount text yang ada di kertas kamu. Coba yang box pertama, who's gonna be read? Siapa yang mau baca the first box of orientation? Ayo siapa? Stephen who? You want to read? Marcelo? Okay.
Last month, Salma and her parents were on holiday in Singapore. It was Salma's first visit, but her parents had been to Singapore several times for business.
Ya, di teks itu sudah tinggalnya ya. Jadi siapanya? Ada jawaban di situ kalau siapa yang pergi holiday? Salma and her parents. Ya, when? Kapan? Last month. And where? Singapore. And what are they doing? What were they doing? Yes, for business. And the second box. Who's gonna be read, Missy? Okay, the second box.
The first place of the interest they went to the Singapore Zoo. They enjoyed watching the animals and had a close encounter with them. The next day, they visited Chinatown Point. They shopped lots of clothing made of silk. Then, they visited the Mandai Orchid Garden. They were thrilled to see the orchid of different colors.
Yes, very good. So the event retells what happened in chronological order ya. Di situ ada kronologinya. Pertama dia kemana hingga akhirnya dia mengunjungi the orchid of different colors. Selanjutnya bagian reorientation. Coba dilihat. Yang reorientationnya, the last box. Yes, it states all conclusion ya. Jadi dia menceritakan bahwa dia sangat menikmati ya perjalanannya, liburannya di Singapura. Nah, seperti itu salah satu bentuk text recount. Dan remember, when you make recount text, it's used past tense ya, simple past tense, tidak menggunakan present. Do you know what? Why? Ya, because it's the past event yang sudah berlalu. Jadi kita menggunakan past tense. Okay, very good. So you can see the third part, bagian ketiga, lembar ketiga. Ya, di situ ada text, recount text. So I want you with your English group read the following text and answer the question. So I want you to answer this question on this paper with your English group. So I want you to identify the orientation, the events, and also the personal comment from the text. I will give you 3 minutes to do that.
Okay.
Jadi orientationnya satu ya. Did you get any problem? No? Not yet? Favorite group, is there any problem? Not yet, okay. No or not yet? No. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. And the last group, any problem?
No.
No. Okay. Oh, you have finished. Okay, very good. Oh yeah, your group is so smart. So after this, I'm gonna ask you to read one of you to read this one. Okay.
Stay back.
event. The first eventnya di mana?
Di paragraf
Nah, coba baca kalimatnya.
We arrived at a hotel in Bandung at 7.30. The hotel was at the peak of Bandungan. We unpacked our
Luggage.
and listened for now.
Oke, next. Event yang keduanya? Yang keduanya? Dan ya, Stephen Bu, baca aja kamu. Baca. Oke, dan ya?
And all you used to get ready to go to the bed.
Oke.
Wow.
Wah, next.
Next.
Yes.
Then mom told us to get ready to go to the train station. Wow, it's so fantastic. We rode on an old train. It lasts for 50 minutes. It was a beautiful like Rawang Dani.
Okay, the next one is personal comment. What is the personal comment from the text? Personal comment? Yes, personal comment?
It was a great fun.
Oke, gimana kelompok lain sama semua jawabannya? Ya? Oke. Next, I want you to make a recount text ya based on your individual experience. Jadi ini tugasnya sendiri-sendiri. Kalian diminta untuk membuat teks recount berdasarkan pengalaman, mungkin pengalaman liburan ya, liburan kemarin, liburan semester. Yang penting berupa pengalaman kalian. Oke, diminta kalian untuk membuatnya, and I will give you in 10 minutes to make it short juga ya. Just make it short. Oke, finish. Oke, ini bukan I go ya, tapi apa maksud dari go? Ya, when ya, harus when. Karena dia berflu. Terus, I go, no I go lagi. Ini I, yes, I went. To restaurant and get, what is it? Afternoon. Apa, ini mau boleh makan siang ya? Oke, makan siang itu bahasa Indonesia? Lunch, ya. Lunch and get lunch. Oke, lanjutkan ya. Kevin C. Oke, last one and I am free. Oh sorry, ini kita gunakan verb to ya. Verb dari go apa?
When.
Yes, when. Okay, went to Malaysia. And then we start. Oh, no start, tapi yes, started our journey in the morning from Bengkalis. My dad, he drove the car. Okay, good. Di Selabara Harbor. Okay, good. Okay, lanjutkan. Have you finished with your task? Yes. So I want one of you, Wincy, come here and read your recount text. Yang lain tolong perhatikan, simak recount textnya punya Wincy. Start.
Last month, I and my family went to Malaysia. We started our journey in the morning from Bengkalis. My dad drove the car carefully to the Selat Daru Harbor. We arrived in Malacca at
panjang lagi dengan good verb, penggunaan verb yang bagus, dan good chronological sentence-nya. Oke, untuk pembelajaran ini kita akan sambung lagi minggu depan pada hari Senin. Oke, ketua kelas siapkan.
Attention please. Let's pray to God. Let me begin. Saya begin.